Hi and welcome, Uwe here, founder of BlogHandy, and today we're looking at SnapPages and how you can create a beautiful blog on SnapPages with the help of BlogHandy. So just a quick look here at the SnapPages homepage. It's a very simple homepage, a very simple website builder, probably one of the more simple website builders I've seen recently. Reminds me a bit about Cart. It just works and it's very quick. There are a few templates only to choose from, but it also helps you to just get started. So, all right, let's head over to my SnapPages account. I've created that account. I have a coffee shop website, and now I want to add here a link for my blog and then to link set up with my BlogHandy blog. All right, so let's click on Pages. And here you can, oh, this button is a bit hidden now, but here you can basically click on create new, and we want to create a new page. We're gonna call this my coffee blog, and we click on create. So now in the background, the new page is being created. And here we have the typical drag and drop editor, and we just click on blogs. And you have to go to code. This is where we can, oh, we have to drag it here, wait. So I click on blogs and I drag this code here and I say, I want to create a new code. I call it the BlogHandy code snippet. And you can reuse that code on other pages if you want to use later on. This is why we save it here. So now I go to BlogHandy, I'm in my account, and I have to go to the code snippet page and I have to just click on copy here, go back to the editor and drop that here, and I go back to BlogHandy and here's the second code. I need to just copy it. I go back to the editor, I drop it here and I click on save. And that's it. Now we're basically ready. It's working. Let's click on publish. The only thing missing now is we want obviously to link to our blog here in the navigation. So we just click on the X here to close this editor. All right. We click on, where do we click? I think on pages, right. And here's navigation and here are our online pages. So our blog is already on the site, but nobody can find it yet. So what we do, we just click on it and we drag it up here. Let's say I want it here, or maybe I want it as a this menu point. I'll put it here right in the middle. So now I'll just go to my blog, which is somewhere behind the speech bubble here. Okay, let's click here. View website. Back down here, my coffee blog, and voila, it's being loaded. As you know, you can change this, you can deactivate it, you can rename it, you can activate or deactivate this. What you might notice is that the titles are quite big on this website. This has to do that just the H1 headings on this particular website builder on SnapPages is just very big. So, and since BlogHandy is taking over the CSS styling, which makes your life very easy because it's the same font as everywhere else on the website. But what you might want to do is head over to the settings, click on layout and design, and you can either choose a different template. We've got a number of templates here, or what you can do, you can go to the bottom, go to custom CSS, and you can write H1, and then we say font size, let's say 30 pixels. Let's just try it. And you click on save. And the beautiful thing about BlogHandy is it automatically will update now. That's it. That's all you had to do. Now you go back to your blog, you refresh the page, and voila, it's smaller. Maybe we want it a bit bigger, not sure. So let's click on here. You see your blog post. This is heading 2. Again, you can change that if you want. Let's say padding 2. We do a font size of, I'm not sure, 28 pixels. You can play around with these things, and then you can just click here, refresh. Again, instantly it changed. And you can see this is smaller. Also, what you can do, you can just go and say, let's say this one. I really like the pop grid. You can also preview it or show a demo, or you can just activate it. And again, instantly, it now updated on your website. You just refresh the page and say you've got it, right? If you want to add a search box, you can do that. You don't want to show maybe the category menu again. Oh, maybe I want to show the category menu and I want to show a search box. Right. Let's refresh, and here is my search. Okay, if you've got any other questions, leave them in the comment and I'm happy to help you. If you use a different website builder, check out our existing YouTube videos about all the different website builders BlogHandy supports, which is all of them, but we might have not have created a video about it yet. So then just reach out to me and I'm happy to create a video for your website builder. Thanks a lot and happy blogging.